13 kilometers. What's this sign here? Dunderave Village. I don't know Dunderave. Never been there. So this is the turnoff to Cypress Mountain. Cypress Mountains ski area. What are these flashing lights ahead? Police. Or is it? I have no idea what it is. Oh, commercial truck. Alright, so ferry terminal, 5 kilometers. Up here. It's been a while. Exit 3. Next exit. 600 meters. See how busy this is. I'm curious. I wasn't going to book, but when I realized it was a long weekend, I thought I better. I have sat 2 or 3 sailings before you get on if you don't book. Horseshoe Bay Village, and we want to make sure that we go to the terminal and not the village. Prepare to foot passengers. Okay. Prepare to stop. Ferry. Nanaimo, I have her, yes.
What time?
140
On your dash, lane 1, on your left.
on my left. Okay, thank you. Lane 1. Yeah, see all these cars waiting, probably hoping to get on the ferry. Isn't that crazy? I'm so thankful I reserved. Oh. All right, so now we go and wait in line, lane 1. She said, oh my God. Okay, I guess I can go. All right. So this ferry also goes to Bowen Island. And Gibson's, I guess. I've never taken a ferry to Gibson's or to Bowen, as far as that goes. This feels funny being in lane 1. This feels really funny, but she said lane 1. Do I go? I don't know where I go. Do I stop here? I've never been in lane 1 before. Unless I'm going under.
Are you going to Nanaimo?
Yes.
Okay. Go inside
Yeah.
and park in lane 62, B62.
62.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you. $62. All right. Well, you know what that means. We'll be one of the first ones on and one of the first ones off. There we go. Now we have to sit and wait. to hit the button. So much for being the first one on and the first one off. I think I was one of the last ones off. All right, so we need to get over one. I have to remember where I'm going. Welcome to Nanaimo. I actually really like Nanaimo, to be quite honest. Except for the ferry, getting on and off the island. Sometimes it's a pain in the butt. But other than that, I really did like Nanaimo. The marina is to the left of me. And we're going towards downtown, but I'm not going to downtown. I need to go up. This is Cypress. I think it might be the next one. Or was it the one before Cypress? I think I might have to backtrack. I'm looking for town site. And I have a funny oh no, here it is here. At my friend's place. So that is the video for today. And I will be in Nanaimo for 6 months. So stay tuned.